heading to Citrus Park Nursery off of Gun Highway in Tampa. Someone said online how they found a cutting for purple tree collards, which I'm really excited about. Been wanting to try the tree collards for so long. So I actually want both. I want the purple variety and the green variety. So hopefully we'll get lucky. Hopefully they have it here today. I can't wait to see if they do. And then also they have different ginger varieties growing, so that'll be really cool to pick up some ginger. And I'm hoping to find a plantain tree. So we'll see. Hopefully we get lucky and find some good stuff that a lot of other places haven't had. I've been to quite a few in this area, and I found some good places. Let's see. Janine's Tropicals in St. Petersburg is awesome. I love that they have such a wide variety of different plants and just different varieties of each plant. Alright, but we're going to give this place a try. Hopefully they don't disappoint. Alright, well, I made it. First impression, it kind of looks like any typical landscaping store. Landscaping nursery. Not really seeing any edibles yet, but I'm gonna keep looking. Spoke to someone out here. He said they have sugar cane, so I'm looking for that now. That'll be kind of cool. Haven't found anywhere that sells that yet. Alright, let's keep looking. We'll see. Alright, I'm getting close. See something that looks familiar. See some papaya. Let's see what kind. It was actually a pretty good price. It's only $15. These guys look kind of small, and it doesn't say what kind of variety of papaya it is. Let's keep looking. Ooh, here it is. Found the sugar cane. Oh, that's nice. That's really nice. Let's see how much this guy is. 7-gallon, $40. Yes, that's not too bad. That looks like a loquat. I'm quite sure what this is. Whatever it is, there's a bunch of them. What a bamboo trellis. Alright, well, I found something. Let's see. This is a guava tickle. A Kent mango. I've never heard of that one. That sounds pretty good. Alfonso mango. What's this little guy here? Cogshell mango. This is something I definitely haven't seen before. It's a Soothe Sea salad tree. It's $15 for a 3-gallon, and apparently the leaves are edible. So basically it's like a salad growing on a tree. It's kind of cool. The leaves look kind of funky though, but I don't know, maybe it's like a heat tolerant variety of lettuce of some sort. I might have to try that. Okay, so I guess it wasn't a total bust. I found something cool. The salad tree, that's interesting. I'm gonna have to look into that, see what that's about. But at least I got my sugar cane. Yay! Thanks guys for coming with me to check out this nursery. I had a lot of fun there. They had some really cool stuff, and I just plan on going back within the next week or two to go pick up some more of the lettuce tree and just check that out and try growing it and see how it works out here in Florida. So I really appreciate it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.